You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have an amazing cleaning video for you guys because my house is a total mess. I literally have to film this intro in here because it's so dirty. My house is actually super dirty because I had left the fam, I left Shanam with the kids so I can go to CVX Live and hang out with a bunch of amazing YouTubers. I went to amazing classes and it was just such an awesome experience. So I left Shanam and Isaiah in charge. They took care of Ava and they basically did what they wanted. I mean, I had some food prepped, I had some meat defrosted, it's still in the fridge. They went ahead and took it upon themselves to get takeout and all of that stuff. I got to go stay with Amanda from This Crazy Life and with Emily from Mama from Scratch, and we had an amazing girls' time together. All right, you guys, so I am officially here with Emily and Amanda. Woo! We made it. We made it. Yes, and we're so excited. We don't even know what to say. We're just super excited to be here and be together. Then when we got to CVX Live, we got to meet so many other creators, some very awesome YouTubers you guys might know. Hey, you guys, so I'm actually here with Kimmy from She's in Her Apron. I'm so excited. I'm like a fangirl over her.
Has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul.
If you guys ever have the opportunity to go to CVX Live, I would highly recommend it. I wanted to share that with you guys because that is where I've been all weekend, and that is why you guys are gonna see the fact that my house is so dirty. So without further ado, let's clean up this mess because it is so messy.
All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with some laundry because I did need to wash Ava's blankets and some towels. So that is what we're doing here. I'm just using my Tide that I got from Costco. And we are listening to the ants go marching in because Ava requested that I start cleaning in her room today. So that is what we're doing this time. It's not usually my first place to clean, but she asked and that's what we're doing here. We have obviously toys everywhere. We have clothes thrown out of the bins because Ava likes to pick out her own clothes and she kind of just digs through everything, throws it out and finds her pieces of the day. And since Daddy had her, nothing really got picked up too much. But that's okay, that's what we're doing today. So that's the purpose of the video. If you guys are new to my channel and you guys enjoy my cleaning video, I do have a playlist of cleaning videos down below in the description box, so you can kind of check out some of my other videos and consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you guys do hit that notification bell if you are a new or old subscriber, because I just found out that you guys aren't really getting notified of my new videos. So you want to make sure so you don't miss out another video, you want to make sure you have that notification bell.
Do you want to come along with me? Come along with me. Do you want to? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
So I did have to stop and go and pick up my Fry's grocery pickup. So I am just bringing groceries in and we are going to clean out all the old food from the refrigerator and get it wiped down and then put the new groceries in.
Big sound, we gonna break them all, them all. Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live.
So I am going to be using my 7th generation wipes that I got from Grove. I really like these wipes. I am a big fan. I'm new to using them and they work really well and I enjoy the smell, so that's what I've been using. If you guys are interested in any of the cleaning products that I use, most of them that I use I actually get from the Grove Collaborative website, which I will have a link down below in the description box if you guys were wanting to check that out. So my pantry definitely needs to be reorganized again. I think I will do that in an upcoming like day in a life and cleaning video over the next couple of weeks. I'm just going to put everything away today and then take out any trash that I see or any like empty packaging that I see for now. So usually emptying the dishwasher is my oldest son's chore, but today since he was at school and I needed to get things done, I just went ahead and did it so I can do the dishes. So this is the mess they left me with, so we are gonna tackle it. These are dishes from like the last 4 days, the days that I was gone, and we're gonna tackle it. We're gonna get this stuff cleaned up. I get asked a lot about the brush that I use when I'm cleaning the dishes, and this is actually a dish brush that I got from Grove during like a special offer. So that's what I'm using there, and then all of those soaps and stuff are from Grove. And these are actually my new pots and pans from Costco, and they are amazing. I know I mentioned them recently in a few videos back, and you guys wanted to know how I feel about them. I am still loving them. I still love my food, like the chicken that I cook, and I know I've mentioned this, it really tastes better in these new pots and pans. It's crazy, but it's an awesome investment if you guys can head to Costco and invest. So one of the big things that I like to do after I do the dishes is definitely clean out my sink. And if it's earlier in the day and I know I'm gonna be doing more dishes, I'm only gonna clean with like soapy water. So I don't usually use any stainless steel products or any of the like Weemans or anything until like the evening or when I want to do a deep clean, something like that. So right now I'm just going to clean everything around with soapy water. Is dry my sink. I love a dried shiny sink, so I always grab like a paper towel, or if I have a dry towel, and I'll just wipe it down after I've cleaned it just so it's dry throughout the day. Today I actually decided to use my Mrs. Meyer's apple scent, or the apple cider scent, and usually I use the pumpkin, but I use the apple cider. I really love it. It smells good. To me it doesn't stay long, like the smell doesn't like linger in my kitchen as long as I'd want it to. The pumpkin really lingers to me. do clean off my table, I like to just go across it and get all the crumbs. So I'm just kind of collecting the crumbs and put them in my hand and throw those away, and then I'll actually spray the table and clean the table. I just hate when I'm like cleaning the table, and if I don't do that part, then you have like crumbs flying all over the floor. And even though I'm about to sweep the floor, I still don't want like extra crumbs to have to sweep up when I can just kind of collect it myself.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and make Ava's bed and vacuum her floor and all of that good stuff.
Moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Alright, you guys, I am all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me video today. And I didn't get to everything that I wanted to, but it's like dinner time. So I think picking up the groceries and like having to stop and take care of Ava made things, stretched out my cleaning a little bit longer, but I got a lot done. I got most of the house done, and I'm also going to be shouting out somebody at the end of all of my videos. I will actually put like my favorite comment or a top comment right here at the end of all my videos, so make sure you guys stay till the end so you can see if your comment was the one that was shouted out, and I'll shout your channel out or your name. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and I will see you guys in my next video.